So these mouse skates are the original, they're a bit scratchy. So we're gonna try to clean up with this afterward, make it less scratchy. This get rid of the dust. See now, it's more smooth now. And then we're gonna try with some rubbing alcohol. Oh shit, I sprayed everywhere. Rubbing alcohol. Clean the feet a little bit. Rubbing alcohol. You don't use it to remove the feet. You want to change the feet. So rubbing alcohol. Yeah, let it dry. Let's see, it's drying it. So we got ice skates. Let's see. Rigs for ice skates. Let's do unboxing. So it has feet and it has a pad. So these are already cut to match. Cut to match. So these are default ones. We use some lighter fluid to remove the feet. Oh shoot, it's made a mess. Yeah, it came out in one piece easily. It kind of messes up the stick. Oh, so you're going to get like new glue, like tape. Oh no, it removes it. Ah, shoot. Oh no, I cut myself. Lighter fluid. So that's how you do it. Yeah, take this out too. Oops. Make a mess. So dry. Okay, this is off. Now we're gonna do the side, lighter fluid. Don't put too much, That gets in everywhere. Okay, this is off. So if you want to reuse the feet, you can if you want, but I messed up one of the feet, so I'm gonna have to redo the stickies. The middle one, I'm just gonna leave it. So I just clean up rubbing alcohol. And if you cut yourself like me, some use dielectric grease to get rid of the scroll wheel noise. Sounds like this right now. I don't recommend it if you know what the hell you're doing. I'm doing it anyways, because it's annoying. And then let's get my brush. Some grease in here. I got some grease. I'm sure it does anything. Alright, I put grease in there, so that's greased up. Kinda. It's best to be like, get rid of this cable, but I couldn't, so now I gotta plug this cable back in. That's plugged back in, so that's power cable off. And you just snap it back. So it's back together. Better. So these are the bottom ones. I don't recommend you try this at home. You might mess it up. I did anyways. Because nothing better to do. Okay. So this works. We're good to go. So yeah. Okay, turn that off. Now we're gonna put the mouse feet. But we gotta clean all this like gunk off, so I will show you guys. So the lighter fluid cleans it right off, so it's like there's no more glue on it. So they're all cleaned. So now I'm gonna put the whatchamacallit feet on it. Yeah. So just one by one. You can use the pad one more time to clean it. isopropyl pad to clean it. Maybe I will use it. I just use it one more time to clean everything off. So we got the pad. It smells like alcohol, so we're cleaning the bottom of it. We're gonna let it dry. It's clean now, we gotta let it dry. Or we just use a paper towel. Pat it dry. Paper towel, just pat it dry. So we're gonna pat it dry. Yeah, this is throw away. Don't worry about it. We're going to remove the clear. So there's the middle feet, which have okay. So this one's on the bottom, right here. Oh, these glide, they're smooth. They're really smooth. So I'm gonna turn my camera off and just do this myself. One by one, so and then I just hit it after. So the light fluid did remove the mouse feet, and then it's fully assembled right now. So this is all the ice skates. It's not like this. It's more smooth. It's less scratchy. So yeah, do this now. Like a hockey puck. It's amazing. And this is the sound of it. They're more glidey.